to show you VIRALERT 3, one of the best temperature sensors from Land Ametek. Now before I could jump about talking about the temperature sensor of VIRALERT 3 from Land Ametek, I would like to talk about the current situation. The current situation of COVID-19 pandemic, this crisis has changed millions of people's lives around the world. And not only that, it has challenged many nations' medical facilities as well as the world's health community. Now keeping that in mind, it's always better to use another hand of reassurance in every situation. Now this brings us to Land Ametek's best temperature sensor, VIRALERT 3. The VIRALERT 3 here consists of the camera, the temperature imager, and the black body reference source, and all of this has been connected to the local PC for display. Now when we talk about this, the VIRALERT 3 has an automatic screening system that deals with social distancing, and this automatic high resolution screening system is a new form of real-time screening solution with an accuracy of 0.5 degree Celsius and 0.9 degree Fahrenheit. And the live thermal and visual inputs have been given to the PC, and this PC has face detection. So at every time when a person comes through, it will face detect from 30 to 45 degrees Celsius. Now, what makes the VIRALERT 3 different from other temperature sensors? Well, there are two such reasons. The first reason being its high resolution. It has a 1.2 megapixel at 12 frames per second, and such high resolution with the CMOS color sensor yields with this perfect calibration of temperature. And the second reason being the black body's reference source. Now the black body reference source here is, the presence of this black body reference source is powered by 5 volt DC and has a fixed and accurate temperature of 38 degrees Celsius, and its stability lies from 0.2 degrees. Now the thermal image lies between 30 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius, and the field of view is from 39 degrees into 31 degrees, and all of this at a temperature resolution of 0.12 degrees. Now the ambient operating temperature of VIRALERT 3 is from 0 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, and the importance of all of this has been lied because of the provided of the black body reference source. The black body reference source here is the most important component of the VIRALERT 3 from Land Ametek, because the Land Ametek uses this as a reference to give precise and correct accurations for the temperatures. And because of this reference source right here, it ensures that any measurements or anyone with a fever cannot step into anyone's premises. Now let me show you a simple demo. As you can see my face in the PC, it shows that I am 96.9 degree Fahrenheit. I will move out. As you can see, it blanks for now. Say if another person steps in, it will show the degree again, and all of this is in a safe social distance other than the normal temperature guns, which does not have enough distance and which yields with not social distancing. So this 1 meter of distance is one of the best things that the landmark VIRALERT has to provide to us, along with the reference sources, which gives the perfect accuracy than other sources. Thank you.